Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these 55 PT Pro magnetic card holders. This is a 5-count box, and these are designed to hold up to a standard size card up to 55 points of thickness. They also have a UV protective coating and are made out of some very nice plastic. Let's open these up, slide them out. Nothing else in the box. So you get a nice little stand if you would like to display one of your cards. And then 5 of these 55 PT magnetic card holders. These nicely slide out. Nice little protective covering on them here. Fill that off. And then, unlike traditional card holders where you have to slide your card in and you may damage the edges, this magnetizes with this little magnet and just opens right up. So you're able to slide your card inside of here. Once your card is inside of this, you're able to just take it and let it magnetize back together, and boom, your card is nicely protected. It's not going to fall out of here. You have to actually pull it apart to get it open. But either way, these are the best way to protect your valuable cards so they're not getting damaged and so they stay at the highest of quality. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me these 55 PT magnetic card holders to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.